Welcome back to Mah's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today I'm going to teach you something really easy, healthy and delicious. It's called Mandi. I'm going to start with the rice. Now the rice, you follow the instructions of assembling it together as on my side under aromatic rice. And then the only difference is the water. I will explain to you later on how much water you put. I have goat. I've got the shoulder part, which is just perfect for this. I've got 1 egg. I'm gonna add some saffron and some black pepper and salt. This salt is gonna be salting your meat. And I'm gonna whisk them. In this pressure cooker, you will see that I have this base and a little bit of water. That is to keep the pot from touching the water. I put the water level should be 1 centimeter above the rice. Now I'm going to put the pot in the pressure cooker like this. I'm going to transfer the meat to this steaming top. You can use anything you have, but as long as it has holes. I love using pressure cookers because it really cuts down on time. This is going to be perfect when it's done. It's going to cook for 14 minutes and then it's going to fall off the bone. The rice is amazing. It's just cooked to perfection. And now for testing the meat. It's falling off the bone. Yum. Enjoy.